Okay, after the metal finishing, we're going to do the conditioning part. So we take everything at the sandblaster here. Okay, we put it inside the sandblaster, or piece. Okay. And we can proceed with the sandblasting of the single piece. We use aluminum oxide, which is a non-contaminating sand, a 50 micron. And we take over the whole surface. Okay, I had to turn the air on. Shame on me. And we pass it on the whole surface until the surface gets dull. So, and also inside on our margin. Now that's the nice thing about non-precious metal, that we can sandblast it and we don't cause any damage to a thin structure. While on gold you have to use very low pressures when you get this done. So that's it. And at this point we have got our casting sandblasted. We can take it out from the sandblaster. Turn everything off. Now this sandblaster here is equipped also with air dryer. Here it is. It uses this system that keeps the air very dry inside of it. And we will be closing it, the valve from here. Plus it takes an air from a compressor, which is a dry compressor. That's how they call it. Now, once I got that done, when it's a single unit, I don't go through the hassle of bringing it in an ultrasonic system. But all I need to do is just clean it with steam. And let's turn on our steam. That's it. Okay, once it's been steamed, I'll, if there's a little bit of water from the steam, with light air, I make sure it's totally dry. That's it. And now we can put it on the tray here. We bring it on our opaque station, which is, this is our opaque station, and we will put it on the tray. We make sure, you know, it's in a, that's it. Let me see if I can bring some light on it. Okay. And we bring our tray right on our platform of our oven. Now the oven is already set for what it needs to be done. All I do is start. Now it's in a drying position, you see. It will reach a low temperature, and this phase takes 10 minutes, and we will see once it's coming out. It will call us, and we will see how the conditioning treatment has happened. Now, what is a conditioning treatment? It's a treatment where the metal reaches a temperature to release all tensions, and it stays about 10 minutes at a high temperature. So all tensions that are caused by the casting and by the grinding of the metal and refining it, are released and are cleaned, and so the structure, the framework, will be ready to be opaqued and ceramized without causing any stresses on the porcelain. Now here we see the platform raising inside the chamber of the oven, and the vacuum will start. We will see. Okay, that's going in. Here's the display of it, and we will see here the vacuum that's pulling, because inside the chamber there's this vacuum that takes the air out. So it's a 650 degrees. This will go up, and my vacuum should stop around I guess 74, 75. That's how hard it pulls on this face. On ceramic, I'd rather have it, pull a little bit less, because I use a very translucent ceramic. Otherwise, it becomes too transparent. Okay, 69. You can see how we reached already 70 in a very short time, and you need good vacuums to get this done, because you want this to happen fast. Into 30 seconds, you want to reach maximum value. See, 73. This is already good. There we are, 3 and 9, 74.2. That's very good. .9, 75. Perfect. Soon the vacuum will stop. The temperature is already raising. We can see at 690. Okay, the vacuum has stopped. And let's wait that it comes out. So we've reached maximum temperature. You see now it's already raised down. It came down to 930, and here comes out the treatment, which is totally it's hot now. It's red hot. I take it with my thongs, and I'll let it cool right here. You see, I have this special tray which is made out of an alloy, and it has these wings for fast cooling, and this is very good for when I'm doing opaques or cooling the metal, because I do want a fast cooling for non-precious metal. And that's it. So I can close my door now. And that's it for metal treatment, conditioning the metal from Edident Lab.